Mes amis, today I want to share with you a heartfelt video dedicated to une personne extraordinaire. To you that brings Franco superstars into your classroom, le drôle de danseur. As Father's Day or Fête des Pères approaches, I feel a deep need to express my amour et gratitude to him in a special way. That's why I gathered 10 heartfelt messages, écrites avec amour, that I want to share with you today. Si tu aimes ton père as much as I do mine, I hope these phrases help you express your love to him. Papa, tu es mon héros et mon inspiration. Dad, you are my hero and my inspiration. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur. I love you with all my heart. Merci, Papa, d'avoir toujours été là pour moi. Thank you, Dad, for always being there for me. Je suis chanceux de t'avoir comme père. I'm lucky to have you as my father. Papa, tu es le pilier de notre famille. Dad, you are the pillar of our family. Ta force et ton amour sont inégalables. Your force and your love are unmatched. Joyeuse fête des pères, cher papa. Happy Father's Day, dear Dad. Ta présence dans ma vie est un cadeau précieux. Your presence in my life is a precious gift. Papa, tu m'as enseigné tant de choses importantes. Dad, you have taught me so many important things. Je suis reconnaissant pour toutes tes leçons. I am grateful for all your lessons. Papa, tu es mon roc, ma boussole. Dad, you are my rock, my compass. Je suis que je peux toujours compter sur toi. I know I can always rely on you. Tu es un père merveilleux, Papa. You are a wonderful father, Dad. Ta bienveillance et ton soutien sont inestimables. Your kindness and support are invaluable. Papa, ta sagesse et ton expérience sont une source d'inspiration pour moi. Dad, your wisdom and experience are a source of inspiration for me. Je suis fière d'être ton enfant. I am proud to be your child. Papa, ton amour inconditionnel m'a donné confiance en moi et m'a aidé à devenir la personne que je suis aujourd'hui. Dad, your unconditional love has given me confidence and helped me become the person that I am today. Papa, je voulais te dire combien je t'aime et combien tu es important pour moi. Dad, I wanted to tell you how much I love you and how important you are to me. Tu es le meilleur père du monde. You are the best father in the world. Please tell me in the comments what you said to your father on Fête des Pères, Father's Day. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and check out our video on how to thank your French teacher for all they have taught you.